Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and you know, we, behind me here is my chicken coop, and we've had our chickens now for a little over 2 months, and they've done a lot of growing, and I thought today would be a good day to do a chicken video. First, however, I wanted to talk about one thing that's been on my mind. We see signs every day, and they kind of go by us, and we don't notice them so much. Out of habit, we follow whatever the sign said. We see a stop sign, or a do not enter sign, or one way, or something like that. We see signs for eating, like at McDonald's or Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and lately we've seen a lot of signs saying, "Hey, we're hiring." No matter where you're at, it's a grocery store, in the newspaper, you get it in your emails. And speaking about emails, one of the signs that I got in my email was a offer from a company named Grub Terra. Now, I saw a video about a week and a half ago from Nana Grace, and I saw her chickens tear this stuff up. And at the time I was thinking, well, that would be something cool to have for my chickens. But, they're still at the starter stage. And so they're eating starter feed. But they're foraging around out here in our backyard and in our fenced-in area here. But they're, I received this email, and they said, we'll give you a free bag, and then you can offer a 10% discount to your subscribers. And so I thought, well, hey, that's a great deal. So I got the bag, and I just received it today. And this bag tells me a bunch of stuff. It's black soldier fly larva from Grub Terra. I'll show you some pictures of this stuff, so don't worry. It produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy. It's farm raised here in the US, and it has 75% more calcium than mealworms. So I thought those were some pluses. Now, my chickens were, kind of kicking back when I got home. But I coaxed them over. They were sitting underneath a tree out here. And I coaxed them over. Said, come on over, guys. And I threw some of this stuff down. And the Dominiques really went after it. The other ones liked it, but the Dominiques, I don't know, it was like some kind of candy or some kind of drug or something to them, because they just went after it wholeheartedly. And maybe the other ones had something to eat previously. I don't know how that went about, but my chickens enjoyed it, and so I'd like for you to follow the link below if you want something that you think your chickens are going to enjoy too. Anyway, it'll be in the description box. There's also a discount code you can use to get 10% off of your first bag. And anyway, thanks for watching. That's my 2 cents for the day. God bless, and see you next time.